Hi, ever wonder what are these and what people do with them? Well, if you're curious, these are pallets. Now, I'm pretty sure there are some people, including yourself, have seen these around before. You probably see them on the side of the road or sometime behind warehouses and stuff. But you ever wonder, what do people do with these? Well, I'm about to tell you. And I'm also going to show you how you can make $100 a day. That's $3,000 a month or more. $500 a day or $1,000 a day. Selling these to different companies that need these to ship their products. So for example, all the stuff you have in your house, from your bed to your dining room table to your kitchen supply, all of them had to come on one of these or several of these. And you know what? Someone had to supply these so that the companies can ship their stuff to your favorite store, and then you go in there and buy your stuff. So these are pallets, standard pallets. And I want to show you how you can make $100, an extra $100, an extra 5,000, extra 500, or even 5,000 a day doing this, supplying these wooden pallets to companies that need it to ship your favorite stuff to your favorite store. So if this makes sense to you and you're interested, comment below pallet and I'll send you more information. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.